So that's kind of, to determine the pressure, that's kind of what this place is for. We get a lot of parts in, and not everybody's parts are the same. Everybody's burr condition might be different. So again, when our guys, they get a part in here, we kind of have what we think's gonna work. We've done so many parts, so we're gonna try it at these kind of standard pressures with these standard standoffs with certain nozzles. And that's kind of gonna be our starting point. And if the results are good, hey, great. If it looks like we could do better, maybe we change some parameters. Maybe we started at 5,000 psi. Maybe we need to increase the pressure. Maybe we need to have the nozzle closer to the burr. Maybe the feed rate or dwells need to be a little bit slower. So it's kind of we get it in here. We've got like a base that we start from, and then we kind of tweak it in for your part. And what we ask from our customers when they're doing that is, don't show us how great a machinist you are. You know, give us a part where the tools are a little bit dull. You know, it's Friday afternoon. The burrs are a little bit thicker now. Because if you send me a great part and we put it in here, I might deburr it perfectly for you. And then you get to your shop and, you know, later in the week, there's still stuff remaining. So we'd rather give me a real world, what's going on in your shop, send that to me, send a few of them to me, because I probably want to destroy one even with the water. But send it to us and we're going to get you, all right, here's the progress that we're making. Maybe not quite tweaked in 100%, but we know we can get there with the data that we've got. And then we supply a really nice report. They'll probably share one with you to our customers. Hey, this is exactly what we did. This is the pressure. This is the nozzle. This is the standoff. And here's before and after pictures of the burrs.